Why do people drive cars? The answer is simple. Cars save time. And time is money. But how much money are people really willing to spend? Over a lifetime, a car can cost more than owning a house. Over $750,000, not even accounting for depreciation. Over 27% of Canada's greenhouse gases come from the transportation sector, half of which come from personal vehicles like cars and light trucks. These vehicles have influenced both our planet and our cities negatively. Despite these effects, cars won't die out naturally. They started as a trend for the ultra-rich, but eventually, due to the invention of the assembly line, have branched out, and now it's almost impossible to live without them. It's only thanks to the assembly line that cars are even affordable to drive, and it's only thanks to that, the highway lobby, that cars are anywhere near remotely as fast as other transportation methods. Yet even now, in many places around North America, cars still are vastly inferior. Yet people don't realize that. And this is because the only accurate information about commute times that we are fed are for cars. That's actually partly a lie. There's one aspect of information that we aren't correctly fed about cars, and that is price. On average, people underestimate the price of owning a car by 52%. That's a lot. It can cost anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per kilometer driven when taking into account all factors. This may seem insignificant, but that means on average of 15 kilometers of commute will cost over $10, and assuming that happens twice a day for 4 weeks, that's over $320. When compared to public transportation, only in very extreme cases does it even come close to reaching a third of that number. By combining both of those problems, a solution to the problem of cars becomes obvious. If we implement into GPS apps the price of driving and also a much better accurate reading of the time it takes to use public transit, it would have a significant effect on the amount of drivers on the road, as even a nature study showed that if drivers were educated on the true cost of cars alone, car ownership would drop by 37%. This solution will benefit everyone. As I said before, cars aren't the best form of transportation, but nowadays our cities are built around them. And even if it would be preferable, if cars could just disappear overnight, they can't and they won't. But even a small fraction of cars leaving the road will alleviate congestion for a large number of people who actually need to use cars.